The rectangle KLMN has perimeter of 20. The half circle with diameter MN has area 4.5 pi. What is the perimeter and area of part of the figure that is not shaded? So we have to find this area and perimeter of this figure. So what we have given? We have given that perimeter of rectangle KLMN is 20. What else we have given? We have given that the half circle with diameter MN has area 4.5 pi. Half of circle. So let me write that 1/2 of area of a circle is 4.5 pi. Area of circle. Why I put 1/2? Because area of there's only half of circle. Here we have like the other part. We need only this. We have given only this part. We have to find area and perimeter of part of figure that is not shaded. So we have to start always from information which we have given, because we know that the area of circle is pi r square. R is the radius of circle, and we have that the diameter is mn of our circle, and we know that diameter d is equal to r. So here is like r and r we have. If we find the r, we will have the diameter of our circle, and diameter is the segment mn. So we will have this part. When we have this part of our circle, we know that KL is the same because we have a rectangle here. So let's do this first. We will find M and M segment. We have that 1/2 area of circle is pi r square is equal 4.5 pi. To reduce this 2, I will multiply both sides first by 2. 2 and 2 we can reduce, and we have that pi r square is equal 2 times 4.5 is 9 pi. Next, I will divide both sides by pi. Pi and pi will reduce, and we have that r square is equal 9. So r is equal positive or negative 3, because 3 to second power give me 9 and negative 3 to second power give me 9. But r is distance. Distance cannot be negative. R is positive number, so r is equal 3. We have r, so when we have r, we can calculate the segment NM. Segment NM is equal to r, so this is equal 2 times 3, so this is 6. What else? Because this is rectangle, so segment KL is also 6. So we have now that this side is 6, that side is 6 mn. We need ml, and we know that ml is the same like nk. So let's find ml. How we find this? We have given also that the perimeter of this rectangle is 20. And let me remind you formula for perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle. Our rectangle, what it is distance around our rectangle. So this is KL plus ML plus NM. We can write MN, doesn't matter, or LM is the same, plus NK. k. P is given is 20. We have also, because this, like I said, rectangle, so ML is equal to NK. So we can write that this is KL plus NM plus 2NK. So we have 20 is equal. KL, we found that this is 6. MN is also 6. So we have plus 2NK. I will move 6 and 6 to the other side, so it will be 20 minus 12 is equal to NK. So we had that N to NK is equal 8, because 20 minus 12 is 8. Now I will divide both sides by 2, and we have that NK is equal, 8 divided by 2, 4. Like I said, NK is equal to ML, so this is also ML. So we have now all sides of our rectangle. ML is 4 and NK is 4. What else? Now we have to find the perimeter and the area of figure that is not shaded. So first let's find the area of figure which is not shaded. How we do this? To find this area, we will calculate the area of our rectangle and we subtract the area of half of the circle. We have given that area of half of the circle is 4.5 pi. So let me write this. The area of not shaded part will be area of our rectangle KLMN minus 1/2 of our circle. This part we have given that this is 4.5 pi. So area of our rectangle, how we calculate the area? We have to multiply the sides of our rectangle. So KL times LM. So we have 6 times 4 minus 1/2 of our circle. Area of our circle is 4.5. So minus 4.5 pi. So this is equal 6 times 4 is 24 minus 4.5 pi. You can use calculator and calculate the area. So this is equal, or you can leave like this. When you use calculator, you have 24 minus 4.5 times pi. So this is equal 9.86. We can write. This is area of not shaded part. And now, square units of course. And now we have to find the perimeter not shaded part. So this is equal. How we do this? Perimeter. So not shaded figure. So this sum of these sides, and we have here perimeter of half of circle, circumference of half of circle. So what it will be side NK plus KL plus LM plus 1/2 of perimeter of our circle. You can write circumference, the distance around our half circle. So 1/2, and we know that circumference of circle is 2 pi r. we have r, we calculate that this is 3. And in this example, we need to have only half of our circle, this part only, this half of our circle, 2 pi r. So now you substitute nk is 4 plus kl is 6, lm is 4 plus 1, 2 and 2 we can reduce, so we have only pi times r. R we found is 3. So this is equal 14 plus 3 pi. Again, we can use calculator. And we have 14 plus 3 times pi. This is equal approximately 23.42, we can write, units. So we found area of figure which is not shaded and perimeter of this figure. This is my solution.